Imagine this. You're running a small business, and you're trying to keep track of everything. From customer interactions to employee performance, it's a lot to manage. And let's face it, sometimes things slip through the cracks. One common pain point is missed calls or calls that you simply can't listen to in real time. So, here's the burning question. Can you listen to calls in RingCentral? The short answer: yes, you can. RingCentral, a leading cloud-based communication platform, offers a variety of features designed to make your business life easier. One of those features is call recording. This allows you to capture and listen to calls at your convenience. Why would you want to listen to calls? There are several reasons why call recording can be beneficial for your business. Quality assurance. Ensure that your customer service representatives are providing top-notch service. Training and development. Use recorded calls to identify areas where employees can improve. Dispute resolution. If a dispute arises, having a recorded call can be invaluable. Compliance. Some industries have specific regulations regarding call recording. How to enable call recording in RingCentral. The process of enabling call recording in RingCentral is relatively straightforward. Here's a basic overview. Log in to your RingCentral account. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section. Look for the Call Recording option. Enable the feature and choose your preferred recording settings. Advanced call recording features. While basic call recording is a great starting point, RingCentral offers more advanced features to cater to specific needs. Selective recording. Choose which calls to record based on caller ID, call type, or other criteria. Automated transcription. Convert recorded calls into text for easy searching and analysis. Call monitoring. Listen in on live calls in real time without interrupting the conversation. Call barging. Join an active call to assist the representative or customer. Additional considerations. Before enabling call recording, it's important to consider the following. Legal and ethical implications. Ensure that you comply with local laws and regulations regarding call recording. Inform customers that their calls may be recorded. Privacy concerns. Handle recorded calls with care to protect customer privacy. Storage and retention. Determine how long you need to retain recorded calls and establish a secure storage solution. So, there you have it. RingCentral offers a powerful call recording feature that can benefit businesses of all sizes. By leveraging this tool, you can improve customer satisfaction, enhance employee performance, and address potential disputes more effectively. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about RingCentral's call recording features, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.